As Prime Minister Narendra Modi celebrates his 70th birthday today, a Seva Saptah or Week of Service has been organized across the country by the ruling BJP to mark this occasion. Several political leaders wished Prime Minister Modi on his birthday. Aizaol's Rajiv Gandhi Stadium will be upgraded under the Khelo India scheme as one of the first 8 Khelo India State Centres of Excellence in India under Khelo India scheme. According to reports, the stadium will be upgraded with a total budget of Rs 11.52 crore in 4 years. Donor Minister Jitendra Singh said that his ministry has sanctioned 5 projects costing Rs 193.32 crore for strengthening health infrastructure for fighting COVID-19 in Arunachal Pradesh, Assam, Meghalaya, Mizoram and Nagaland. Informing this in the parliament yesterday, Jitendra Singh said an amount of Rs 25.29 crore has also been released to all the Northeast states by the Northeastern Council NEC to assist in combating the COVID-19 pandemic and as well as to provide relief to the stranded youths or people of Northeastern region during the time of lockdown, as per a media report. India's coronavirus cases tally crossed the 51 lakh mark today with a spike of 97,894 cases and 1,132 deaths in the last 24 hours. The case tally stands at 51,18,254, including 10,09,976 active cases. 40,25,080 cured or discharged or migrated and 83,198 deaths as per the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare. According to World Health Organization, there are 2.94 crore confirmed cases of COVID-19 globally, including 9,31,321 deaths. On the day of annual Tarpan ritual today, the United Committee Manipur UCM at the Kekrupat offered Tarpan to the departed souls of 18 martyrs who laid down their lives for Manipur on June 18, 2001. Speaking at the occasion, UCM President Sunil Karam said that the sacrifices made by the 18 brave hearts will not go in vain. A 3-member team of Shiv Sena Manipur unit led by its president M. Tombi Singh is now in Delhi to pressurize the BJP leadership to discuss in the parliament about improvement and revival of Jiribam Tea Estate and Loitang Khunau Spinning Mill, besides setting up a National Highway Protection Force in Manipur, the party informed. Leaders of BJP Nambol Mandal planted saplings around Lainingthau Khoriphava Temple as a part of Seva Saptah commemorating the 70th birthday of Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Former Union Minister T.H. Chauba, BJP Manipur Pradesh President Professor S. Tiken and district-level BJP leaders were present at the event. Celebrating the 70th birthday of Prime Minister Narendra Modi, the Bharatiya Janata Party Uripok Mandal today organized a tree plantation program under the Seva Saptah at UFCL Playground at Lamboi Khongnangkhong in Imphal.